Now this is what I call a drag weld. You're basically in a way letting gravity happen, but also you're pulling the rod to you. It's like it's to put grounds in, like for the filler when you're starting off. Say you have a void and you're trying to put a few beads into it. A drag weld filler is basically what you start off at, and obviously other people are going to have different opinions on welding, but here we go. And anyway, this is called a drag weld. You're actually pulling the rod towards you, but also it's resting on the steel. The gravity's doing the rest. That's called a drag weld. This is the one that I've just done, the drag weld. I let that cool down before I break the slag off. This is the first one. And if the slag comes off the weld like that, the minute the steel is cooled down, that means you have to get into proper penetration. So it'll be a stronger weld, because you have to get in the weld deeper into the steel and so forth. That's it. Very first one I've done, and this is the drag weld. You can get a very clean, tidy bead. Let's clean her up some. And let's get a closer look. Excuse me. Okay. Thanks for watching.